This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign into Freshcut. First, find the Freshcut app icon on your phone or tablet. It's usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the icon to open the app. Before you start, make sure your device has a good internet connection. This ensures a smooth experience as you access your account. We'll cover both new account creation and existing user login. If you're new to Freshcut, you'll need to create an account. Look for the Sign Up or Create Account button and tap it. You'll then be asked to enter your email address and choose a strong password. Remember to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for best security. After that, just follow the simple on-screen instructions to fill out your profile information and set your preferences. For those who already have a Freshcut account, the process is straightforward. Select the Log In or Sign In option. You'll then enter your registered email address and your password into the designated fields. Double-check your credentials to avoid any typos. Once entered, simply tap the Submit or Login button to gain access to your Freshcut dashboard and all its features. Sometimes you might run into a small hiccup. If you forget your password, don't worry. Just use the Forgot Password link on the login screen to reset it. If you're having persistent issues, try clearing your app's cache or even reinstalling the app. This often resolves common login problems. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks. They come with a lifetime warranty, and you can find a link to them, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.